Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a VCS haul, a very small VCS haul. I know I talked in my last video about not ordering from VCS as much as I have in the past. I know I sound really tired right now. I just realized that when I started talking. So first of all, it's super early in the morning, and second, we've been having a really busy last couple of days. My daughter signed for college. Like, she had her college signing at her school, and she also found out she made the dance team, so we're really excited for her. And we've just had like a lot of crazy activities happening, and her graduation is, oh gosh, like 10 days away, 15 days away, I don't know, something like that. It's really close. So we're like gonna have a lot of like family around and stuff, and I like really need to get caught up. I did that huge spring cleaning, and so that's gonna help me like get back to where I was, but things have kind of fallen by the wayside again, just because I don't know. I honestly don't know what happened, but anyways, that's neither here nor there. So I did want to just say a few things really fast, because I feel like my last video I was like, I'm not going to order from VCS, and that's not necessarily the case. Like, I don't hate VCS, and I'm never like not going to order from her again, but I did find out a couple of things about like why, because for me the biggest thing was like everything changed like all in one restock, and so it was really like, I don't know, I guess for like customers who have been around for a while or are used to like a certain way, it was kind of like, whoa, you know, like what's going on. So I did find out that VCS does get a lot of requests for surprise restocks, like just completely random, like you don't know what's going to be in them, like as far as scents, and you don't know when they're going to be. So that was one of the things that I did not realize. And I mean, you know, at the end of the day, I don't know what the bottom line of like her income statement is at the end of the month, or what she has to do to make things happen. So it's basically just a choice. Like, if you want to spend money on her wax, then okay, but it is still pricey. It is not the priciest wax out there. I was talking with a friend, and we were kind of comparing prices as far as other vendors, and there are, you know, some other vendors that are more expensive than VCS. It's just they don't advertise it, or you don't realize it. So, you know, it is what it is. If you have a favorite scent from VCS, like, I wouldn't let it deter you completely. I would just say, you know, if you feel like her wax is more on the expensive side, just purchase like what you absolutely want. And like, I mean, I know for sure, like for myself, I'm not gonna go crazy like I did when she was doing her big monthly restocks. Like, you know, I mean, you guys remember those. I don't remember how much I would haul at a time, but I mean, it was a lot for me. I think I did a lot of lows and stuff. So I am definitely going to be like kind of slowing down on that, because I don't need to do that. So let's go ahead and just jump right on into this. I'm not going to talk too much or talk anymore. I think I've already talked enough. So Supercalifragilistic was my sample, and it's tea and cakes. By the way, if you hear any thunder or lightning, it's raining here, or we're having like a little thunderstorm coming through. And I am not a tea and cakes lover. I don't know why. I've never liked it. I just never have. I don't know what it is about it. I don't know if it's too sweet, or there's just something in there that I don't like. So I'll probably like pass that on to a friend. And I just made a really simple order, and Emily Gilmore is just fresh squeezed Meyer lemons. Like, there's nothing like crazy amazing about this. I did like the, what is it, from Walmart, the Meyer lemon and basil, and I thought this would be kind of similar, and I wanted to try it. I love like fresh lemon scents. I was like, I'm gonna try this. And that's exactly what it is. It smells like you cut into a lemon. I really want to kind of compare it with that lemon clam that I got from Walmart. I think it was Better Homes and Gardens. I can't remember. But that one's nice. So I thought that one would be a good one for like a cleaning type of day or whatever. The next one I got, I actually warmed my last one that I had in my last order, which was like poured March something. So I don't know, actually, was this poured the same time? I don't know, it was like March 5th or something, and I warmed it, and it actually did really well. So this is Fresh Laundry blended with sweet spun sugar and fluffy marshmallows. It's sugar spun suds, and it's blue and pink rose. I love the smell of this. I thought it smelled really good, so I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna grab a couple more of these. It's like very, very sweet, and you do get a little bit of that laundry blended in there. But it's more sweet than laundry. I just really like the smell of it. It just, I warmed it and I was like, it smells really good. So I went ahead and just grabbed 2 roses of that. Just a couple more things here. The last thing I got is Madeline, and anything that's brown sugar and figs I like to try from vendors. I don't know why. I don't know why I'm obsessed with this scent. I just am. You can also blend this with a lot of things. I know Super Tarts has blended it with like blackberry. You can blend it with some more brown sugar. You can blend it with like sweeter scents, like maybe even warm vanilla sugar would be good too. I think Super Tarts has blended it with warm vanilla sugar as well. I need to find, I have warm vanilla sugar from somebody. Can't remember who. That I can blend that with. And then I did grab another Shamrock Shake, and this is mint cream vanilla swirl milkshake topped with whipped cream. And super cute with that. Can't remember what these little mini pies or mini souffles are called. I think, are they mini souffles? Oh, it's a plain Jane souffle. Okay. I just really liked the first one that I got from my last order, so I just decided to pick one up. I kind of wanted, I don't know, I felt like I wanted to go in and support Curry this go around too, so I was kind of just grabbing a few things that I knew that I would like. Like I wasn't going to go nuts buying new things. So, and then the last thing I have is lemon marshmallow mermaid pie. I'm not even going to lie. Angie kind of forced me, well, not forced me into this order. No, what? Okay, hold on. Forced me, wait, she didn't force me to do anything. Okay, start over. She had ordered this and I saw it in her order and I was like, that sounds pretty good. Like I'd have been wanting to try the mermaid pie, but the thing with lemon is I am like really sick of, not like that lemon that Emily Gilmore, I do like that lemon, but I'm really tired of like bakery lemon. So I was hoping, from another vendor I used to purchase lemon marshmallow, and I loved lemon marshmallow scents. So this is sugared pie crust filled with a pillow of blue cotton candy cream, lemon cream, and a layer of whipped coconut cream topped with fluffy miniature marshmallows. That's a lot of stuff. So I was hoping that it would kind of just drown the lemon out altogether and be more, and this is more of like a lemon marshmallow. And I don't want to say the vendor's name that I used to get lemon marshmallow from because I don't really like them anymore. I don't hate the company, but there were just some, like, there's a little bit of like drama over there. So I haven't hauled this particular company in a long time. So that's her pretty I think this is Chantilly Shatter. I don't follow like the names of things. I don't really care, to be honest. It's Chantilly Shatter though. This is good. It's like a soft lemon, which is what I was looking for. I'm not liking, that's what it is. It's lemon curd that's kind of throwing me off nowadays. Like for some reason, my nose just doesn't love it anymore. It's very sweet. It's got a very sweet lemon. I don't smell the sugared pie crust as much, but that's cold. So cold is really a bad indicator of how anything is going to smell. So there's that. Okay, so that was my teeny tiny order. Like I said, I just wanted to get a little sampling of things. I didn't want to go big or go home. So I have plenty of other hauls. Actually, I'm behind on hauls, so I will be having some more hauls pop up. And I actually think I have a few boxes arriving today. And I think I have a few pre-orders that are probably going to be shipping soon. And yeah, things are a mess. That's pretty much how my life is going right now. I mean, it's a good mess. It's a really good mess, actually. Yeah. Okay, so that's it, you guys. If you guys did order from the restock, let me know. If you guys still have feelings about the last video that I spoke of, go ahead and let me know that too. I like having conversations down in the comments and just talking to you guys about, how you're feeling about things or certain vendors and things like that. I like to open the discussion up and just have a regular discussion. So, all right, that's it, you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.